If this particular trade plays out, we'll easily be able to catch about a 1 to 22 risk reward ratio. All right, so watch to the very end as I show you everything step by step so that you can actually do the same. This is Bitcoin right here on the 30 minutes time frame. Let me show you exactly what I'm looking at, right? So on the 30 minutes time frame, you're able to see a nice rally based drop supply zone with a break of structure to the downside, and you can see that the kind of candles that broke structure were big momentum candles. Apart from that, we had these two equal highs which were left behind right here, and you can see the market is kind of approaching this particular area, and what I'm anticipating right now is for price to come into this area, give us a confirmation, and then we can actually sell all the way to these lows right here. All right, but the question is, why am I trying to sell from here? Let's go to the higher time frame so that we can have a higher time frame narrative of what is happening on this particular trade right here. All right, so let's go to the daily so that you can actually see. You can see that the trend for some time has been bearish. Therefore, we are looking for selling opportunities only. Okay, and you can see right here that there was something significant that happened at this level right here. So we had a nice rally based drop with multiple break of structures to the downside. Okay, and then if you come to the 4-hour time frame, you are going to realize something very, very, very important right here. This is the same thing that you're looking at right here: rally based drop and break of structure by big momentum candles. We also have a QML right here. Apart from that, we had equal highs right here, which were taken out by this group of candles at this particular area right here. Very, very important. So what does that tell us? It tells us that liquidity was stripped right here. The market came to this area, it actually dropped reacting from this supply zone, and the market went down. Okay, so as the market went down, we had multiple break of structures to the downside, confirming that this trend wants to continue. And guess what's supposed to happen before we continue to drop to the downside? We have to now go back and confirm that we are really changing character from this uptrend to a downtrend, and that's a chance that we have for us to actually get involved as retail traders, right? So we are trading alongside the smart money guys. So what I had to do is now go to the lower time frame, find the order block. So let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. I had to go all the way to the down lower time frame. Let's go to the 3 minutes time frame. So what I had to do was go all the way to the about 3 minutes time frame. Let's see, yeah, on the 3 minutes time frame, I was able to actually identify my order block, which is the last bullish candle before the bearish move, which was this candle right here. So I got the high and the low of that particular candle and then took it to the right side. Okay, and if you can go back to the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that this also left behind these two equal highs, just like this one right here, and we want these to be taken out by this candle right here as the market opens tomorrow with the Asian session. So we want to see the market coming up somewhere around this level, take out the liquidity right here, also take out the Asian session, and then if that happens, then I'd like to see the market give me a confirmation to actually sell at this level right here. My stop loss is just going to be above this high right here, and for my target, I'm targeting this low right here, making this a 1 to 22 risk reward ratio, risking 25 pips to potentially make around 530 pips right here. Like I said, this trade has the potential to drop all the way here. There's that potential for the market to actually drop all the way there, but we're going to just target this low right here. Why? Because this area is a demand zone and the market may actually react from this and cause price to reverse. That's the reason why we are targeting that low for now. All right, that's how this trade is looking, and looking at it, really nice of a setup. It meets my criteria and everything. All right, so if you'd like to be able to analyze the markets like I've shown you, well, you are in for a treat, because at the moment we are running a promotion, an 80 80% off promotion. On our new Facebook page, we've currently hit around 800 followers. This is our new page. Our other page had 18,000 followers and it was suspended. This is the new one, and to celebrate this achievement right here, we are giving you guys an 80% off promotion, right? So on our M&F Mastery course. So the course covers the strategy, risk management, and trading psychology. And apart from that, you also get lifetime mentorship, lifetime signals, free trading journal, free trading plan, a one-on-one session with me until you are able to understand and be able to trade on your own. But here's the catch. We're only looking for 10 serious traders, like 10 serious traders who are ready to actually grind and put in the work. And if you are that one, well, all you have to do is just send me a message via Telegram or WhatsApp. Just send me ready, then I'll be able to actually enroll you in our M&F Mastery course. Remember, instead of you paying $500, since it's 80% off, you are only required to pay $100. However, this promotion is valid till Friday. This Friday, so make sure you actually take advantage before this actually goes away. All right, so back to our video. So what we're anticipating right now is just for price to come in, and once that happens, we'll be able to share this in our premium signals community. This forecast has already been shared in our mentorship community right here, where we share all our forecasts. We have GBPUSD, and we also have BTCUSD, right, which is Bitcoin. And for now, all you have to do is just wait to see how the market reacts. Remember, if the market gives us our confirmation, we'll be able to take a trade. But if it doesn't, well, we'll skip and wait for the next one. All right, this is a forecast, not a signal. Wait for your confirmation before you jump into any particular trade. All right, you guys, I thought of sharing this video with you guys. I hope you found value, and if you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment in the comment section, and make sure you follow our Facebook page. It's M&F Forex Traders 2.0. You guys, take care of yourselves. Goodbye.